Season 1, Episode 3. Caillou Jr. puts fireworks in his dad's cake / grounded / arrested. Requested by myself.
Oh my god. I can't believe my dad is taking me to see the 4th of July fireworks later. I don't want to see any fireworks. I just want to stay at home and watch Italian brain rot. That's why I am going to put some of my custom fireworks in his cake. I have a button that can ignite the fireworks whenever I want. Ha 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 ha. I can't wait to see him injured.
I'm quite hungry. I'm going to get some cake. Huh? Is it just me, or did I see Caillou Jr. for a second there? Whatever, let's eat. Wait! Why do I feel?
Caillou Jr. I saw what you did, and I know your plan. How dare you put fireworks in your dad's cake? You might have killed him. That's it. You are grounded until 2026. I am going to call the cops on you right now. I have stuck you to the couch, so you can't escape. Now, I am going to call the police.
Caillou Jr., you are coming with me downtown. You will be locked up for a long time.
Why